Are you struggling to rename Windows folders? If so, in this video, we will provide you solutions to help you organize your folders and locate files more efficiently. First, close any applications like image or video editors that access the folder's files. You'd also restart Windows Explorer through Task Manager. Just open your Task Manager, click Windows Explorer, then select Restart. Additionally, update Windows by checking for pending updates in Settings, then Windows Update, followed by Check for Updates, or download any pending updates. Moreover, try to verify folder permissions by right-clicking on the folder, click Properties, choose Security, select your account, then check the permission field. You should also scan for malware if needed through the settings of your computer. Another possible fix is to temporarily disable controlled folder access in Settings, followed by Privacy and Security, choose Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection, find Ransomware Protection, click on Manage Ransomware Protection, and then turn off controlled folder access. Then after renaming the folder, re-enable controlled folder access. Lastly, watch out for these incompatible characters that may cause the parameter incorrect error. And those are the possible fixes if you cannot rename your folders in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.